Very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. I'm here back again with a new chapter, that is Major Landforms of the Earth, presented by Rohini Sharma, Part 1. Contents: Introduction, Mountains, Plateau. Introduction: Landforms are the natural shapes or features called landforms. There are many different types of landforms found on the earth. Two processes of landforms. Internal process. The internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at several places. External process. The external process is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. Mountain. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface. There are permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as the range. The Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes are mountain ranges. Alps in southern Europe. Urals mountain between Europe and Asia. Andes mountain in South America. Importance of mountains. They are good for agriculture. They have an influence on climate. It is a resource value. They are source of water also. They are the tourist center. Mountains are having biodiversity. Mountains is useful for water cycle also. Now, uses of mountains. How they are useful for us. Mountains are very useful. The mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. Types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Fold mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains. The Aravalli range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain system. The Alpines in North America. Block mountains. Block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are termed as hosts and the lowered blocks are called graben. Volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. Examples of volcanic mountains: Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, Mount Fusiyama in Japan. Plateaus. A plateau is an elevated flat land. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. The lava plateaus are rich in black soil that are fertile and good for cultivation. Plateaus. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes. The height of plateaus often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. Plateaus, like mountains, may be young or old. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples. The Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the mean sea level. Now, the examples of plateaus are Deccan, Tibetan, Antarctica. Deccan Plateau. It is a triangular surrounded by 3 mountains ranges. Roof of the world, Tibetan Plateau. Antarctic Plateau. Importance of plateaus. Sources of several waterfall. They are the storehouse of mineral deposit even. Black soil formed due to the volcanic eruptions. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day ahead.